Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a canvas tailored to the final use. Choose 2000-3000 px at 300 dpi for print or 72 dpi for web. Once done, select one sketch brush, one flat fill brush, and one soft blend brush so you stay focused. Make 3 named layers now: sketch, base, and shade. Lock or lower opacity on the sketch layer. This minimal setup prevents decision paralysis and gets you drawing immediately rather than fiddling with presets. You block in major shapes on the base layer first. Focus on silhouette and large planes instead of details. Then create a shade layer to establish 1 to 2 light sources. Paint shadows and highlights at 20-60% opacity to build believable form. Once the forms read, switch brushes to add local color variation and subtle texture. Stippling or grain at low opacity prevents flatness. Make sure to flip the canvas occasionally to check proportions. That symmetry check catches mistakes early. You finish by tightening edges and adding the smallest details with a fine brush, then step back to assess overall contrast and color harmony. Once satisfied, apply a single global adjustment layer, color balance or contrast, to unify the image. Export a flattened PNG or JPG for sharing and save the layered source file plus a dated backup. If colors look off after export, check color profile mismatch. Convert to sRGB before exporting to fix inconsistent colors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.